नातालांच्यो जेजूच्या जल्माच्यो मदर ट्रेसा अशी म्हणटाली क्रिसमस is all about giving. The essence of Christmas is to give. कित्याक आमी पळयत हांव जेजूच्या जल्मान देव आमकां एक व्हडलें देणें दिता जेजू आनी जेजू तुमी पळयात आख्ख्या जिवितान आनी कुर्सार पुर्यान आपल्याकूच जेजू आमकां दिता. सो जेजू आपल्याकूच एक गिफ्ट कसो करता. तो क्रिसमस जावन आसा आमी जेजू भाशेन आमकांच दुसऱ्यांक दिवंक आमचें जिवीत एक गिफ्ट कसो करूंक. तर ही जावन आसा पयली मेसेज तुमकां दिता.
I would like to thank our Almighty God for giving us this year. We are almost at the end of 2021. Going to begin with 2022. ह्या वर्सा आमकां जोण एकल्याक सांबाळला राखला तेका लागून देवाक आर्गां. And before I start with my word of thanks, I wish you all a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. हे जे नये वर्स 2022, may God bless us all with good health. And this COVID virus, which is looming large over every one of us, we have to take good care of ourselves, take all the precautions, and all the very best to all of us.
We said no because we were expecting code of conduct for the elections. Because we remember code of conduct coming into Goa in 2012 elections. It came exactly on 23rd of December 2011. So we were thinking that it can come anytime after 15th. And we said this year we'll skip it. But when the election commission slowly started announcing that we would be in Goa on 21st, 22nd, 23rd, and thereafter in other states. So we decided, Para Citizens Association, the members who are over here, on my right and my left, they decided that we should have it at least in a smaller way. So we decided to have Kalangut constituency and the Sholim constituency. And I'm very happy to announce that we have 789 participants. Let us hear it for all the participants. And we made this possible, I think, in 4 days' time. Just 4 days.
Carol, एक नातालाचो प्रोग्रामाक एक विटनेस केलो. एक अशी उर्बा येयली की क्रिसमस म्हणचो एक उजवाडाचो म्हणटा आनी आमी लायट्सचो फेस्टिवल जावन आहा. हांव मागता सगळ्यांक आमच्या गोंयच्या लोकांक की अहीच तुमी जो हिंदू क्रिश्चन आनी बाकीचे हाज्या धर्मान अहीच भाव भयणा भाशेन तुमी सगळीं एकठांय रावन आमी आमचे गोंय हे फुडें व्हरया. हांव खरेंच सराक म्हणजे मायकल सराक थँक्यू म्हणटा की तेची जी हे आहा आयडिया आसा सदांच हे प्रोग्राम करून घेवपाची. लास्टाक आमी आसले की दिवाळीचो तेणी प्रोग्राम करून घेतलेलो आनी तो सक्सेसफूल जाल्लो.
Festival of Stars was such a great success because within 2 days Madam Delilah has organized it with Michael Lobo. I think all of you all should clap for them because in 2 days they have organized this. I don't think anybody else could have done this, and it is a very good function for Christmas. And wishing you all on behalf of the villagers of Kandalim, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.